How to create carousel on Canva. Want to make swipe ready posts for Instagram or Facebook? Let's create a carousel in Canva. So step 1, open Canva and choose a format like Instagram, posts, or presentation. So you can go ahead and create it from scratch by clicking on create at the top left and then entering in here Instagram posts. Go ahead and select continuous carousel from here, and that will take you into your page where you can add items to your carousel. Now, if you want to create a carousel from a template, simply search for it on the templates tab. So look for carousel and then hit on enter. And then in here, you'd be able to find all of the carousel post selection you can choose from. So among the most popular ones in the current day would be this format. So what they do is they add all of the items in here, such as the photos and the elements they want to add. And then they chop this photos into a few pieces. So Canva makes carousel creation easy, perfect for tutorials, product showcases, or storytelling posts. And that is the quick breakdown of how to create a carousel on Canva.